Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Today I'd like to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate that. I have scissors in hand because I have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the other hand. So what we're going to do today is open this up. And I forgot already the things that I am getting in here. Cutting the tape. I'm a strong woman. I can open this bag. And with this, we have a beautiful daisy bag. And we'll see what we've got in here. We've got a card that says nothing about the products. And this is Keep Growing bag. And it tells us the next Glam Bag Plus or Glam Bag X is Madeline Pesh. And I have unsubscribed for that because I saw sneak previews. And it looks boring and full of skincare. And I'm really tired of getting skincare. So I'm not going to spend 60 bucks on a bunch of skincare that I don't need. So let's see what we have in here. We have from Complex Culture. No, we don't. From Bell and Argent, we have two brushes. One looks like a blush brush and one looks like maybe a contour brush. I'm going to leave them in the package for now, but this is a very nice item because we could always use brushes. Oh, and then I've got from Farrah, I've got more brushes. So I've got a lot of brushes this month. I think I chose the brushes as my item, and then we just happen to be getting other brushes as well. So this is definitely a nice set of brushes, and it's got some nice big brushes in here too. And it's got daisies on the handle. Very cute. Very nice. I don't have the prices this month. Sorry. And then we have from Buttah, B-U-T-T-A-H. It is a tea tree and aloe mask scrub. It's triple action clay mask, foaming cleanse, deep exfoliator, which sounds great, but I don't use a lot of masks. Then we have, oh no, this is what I chose. Is this an add-on? Let me see how many things I have. Let's see. This is what I chose. It's the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation with vitamin C and E and 8 Super Blacks Essence. Let's see how this looks. Let's see if it matches my skin. It's a very beautiful bottle. Ooh, it looks like it's going to match pretty well. That's a lot that came out. Let me get a tissue and blot some of this away because it's entirely too much foundation to just get a little test-a-loo. Yeah, that looks like a nice match. That looks good. Now let's try to wipe it off the back of my hand. Yuck. Nothing like too much makeup on the back of your hand. My goodness. But it's got, they call this Superfood Beauty. And it's got some stuff written on here. And it says, Super Serum Silk Foundation is supercharged with skin-loving peptides and an age-defying complex of vitamin C, CE, ferulic, and baccholi oil, and it helps to brighten, improve firmness, and prevents fine lines and wrinkles, and provides full flawless coverage. And it is a very nice size product. It is 1 fluid ounce, which is the size of most foundations. So that's nice. And so I guess, did I choose 2 things? I think I chose 2 things. Because I chose the foundation, and then I also chose to get this Zoe Ayala silk satin pillowcase. Reduced wrinkles and split ends with a pillowcase. And this has been a beauty secret for a long time, and it's just been popular in the last couple of years to use the silk pillowcases. I don't think this is really silk. This is probably it is polyester, and it says the satin pillowcase provides a smooth texture to protect your skin against facial sleep lines, as well as preventing hair breakage due to friction. In addition, the glossy shine of the satin will elevate the look of your bedroom while still being comfortable and enhance your sleep. So let's take a look at it. It's a beautiful cream color, and it is standard pillowcase size. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. Oh, it looks so nice against my skin. So let's recap what I got this month. I got this fancy schmancy pillowcase. I got the bag. I got the foundation. I got 2 sets of brushes and a mask. So for 28 bucks, 20 something like that, 25, 28, I don't remember. It's hard to remember all these prices of things. Not bad. 1 makeup item, and the rest are brushes and mask and a pillowcase. So ta-da, that's it. So I'm gonna say it's worth it for the brushes for sure, and the foundation and the pillowcase. So I think it's a good value this month. So with that, I will bid you a fond farewell, and we will see you very soon. Mwah!